Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. So I am back with two new recipes which are very healthy and delicious और बहुत जल्दी बन भी जाती हैं। शुरू करते हैं। So the first one is paneer salad recipe in which I am using vegetables, onion, capsicum, tomato, chopped garlic, chopped ginger and a sliced green chili. First of all, I will put on the gas and in the pan I will shallow fry the paneer cubes. I will fry them until they turned out to be golden brown. When the paneer turned out to be golden brown, we will take them out and we will move further with the leftover oil in the pan. Then in the oil, we will put the chopped garlic and we will fry them. Then we will add chopped ginger, then after 2 minutes we will add the diced cutted capsicum and onion and we will fry them or saute them for 4 to 5 minutes. If you want them very soft, you can maximize the time period. Then we will add tomato and boiled sweet corns with the golden brown paneer. We will saute them for 2 minutes. Then we will add red chili flakes, a little bit of mixed herbs, and a little bit of oregano for the flavors. And in last, we will add salt according to the taste. We will mix them well and here we are. Our paneer salad recipe is ready. If you want, you can add lemon juice also. And the next one is dalia, for which we need cauliflower, chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped ginger and chopped green chili. If you want, you can add more vegetables in it. So first of all, we will put on the gas and for this we will be using cooker, and in cooker we have added ghee. You can make it with any cooking oil you like. I am using desi ghee, and in ghee I have added cumin seeds and then chopped ginger. After that I am gonna add chopped onion and green chili and we will cook them for 4 to 5 seconds. Then we will add chopped vegetables. I have only cauliflower, so I am using only that. You can add capsicum, carrot, peas, anything you want. I will cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I will add turmeric powder and dhania powder. I'll mix them well. Then I will add chopped tomato with the salt according to our taste. And now we will cook it, putting the lid for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we will wash the dalia. After washing it, we will add it with the cooked vegetables. Then we will mix them together and we will add water into it. Dalia and water should be in the ratio of 1:4. Now our secret ingredient, Maggi Magic Masala. It really turns the taste yum. Then we will put the lid and cook it until 2 to 3 whistles on the medium flame. And now, after that, our dalia is ready to serve. Please try it. It really tastes delicious and as well as healthy. Hope you like the both recipes and you will try it at your home. Thank you for watching. We'll come with the next video soon. Till then, take care.